Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can share the Pinterest posts. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Locate Pinterest and open it on your phone. You can see some of the pins over here. You can select the pin and you can see the share icon on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the share and you can see that you can share this pin post and some messenger apps or social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and some of your phone apps like Messages. You can copy the link and you can also forward it in Pinterest. So you can send it on the name of your Pinterest friend. Search for the friend, and if you found it, go ahead and click on send and this will be sent. But if you want to send it on Instagram or Facebook or share it as your story, you can see the send icon over here. You can tap on Instagram and you can send the pin to your friends. So if you want to share it to Facebook, just go ahead and tap on Facebook, click on just once or always, and you can see if you want to share it on your newsfeed or your groups, you can choose this, or you can also send it via Messenger. So if you can see that there's a messenger icon, you can click it, or if you want other messages, other things, go to more. After tap on more, you can see all of the applications or most of the applications which are there on your phone from which you can share this post. So it's quite easy. I'm gonna show you by sharing my saved post over here. This is some of my posts which is there. So if I want to share it, I'll just go ahead and click on share, which is over here, and then I will share this Pinterest post. I hope this video about how you can share the Pinterest post was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.